Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, buckle up. Here's a 100-second Apache Spark tutorial. What is Spark? It's a fast, distributed computing system for big data processing. Think hadoop, but much faster due to in-memory processing. It uses a lazy execution model. Core concepts **** roads, resilient distributed datasets, immutable, fault-tolerant distributed collections. You can create these from local files or other data sources. * transformations, * operations that create new roads, example map, filter, reducebykey. They are lazy. *actions, * operations that trigger computation and return a result to the driver program, example count, collect, save as text file. Basic example, Python using pyspark. Explanation *. One sparkcontext connects your application to the Spark cluster. 2 text file reads data from a file or any other data source. 3 flat map splits each line into individual words. 4 map creates key value pairs, word, 1. 5 reducebykey adds up the counts for each word. 6 collect retrieves the results to the driver program, use with caution on large data sets. Save as text file writes to disk. 7 stop the Spark context so all resources released. Important considerations **** distributed computing * Spark distributes data and computations across a cluster of machines. * lazy evaluation * transformations are only executed when an action is called. * fault tolerance * roads are fault tolerant, if a partition is lost, it can be recomputed. This is a very basic introduction. Spark offers much more, including Spark SQL for structured data, Spark Streaming for real-time processing, mlib for machine learning, and GraphX for graph processing. Further exploration of these modules is highly recommended. Good luck.